Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 7.6 part 1 of Pre-Algebra Math. Part 2 is available here at this email, as well as all the other course materials. Today we have 14 points of note-taking, and we have a 36-point class worksheet. If you do not have a class worksheet, email to get that. Today's bell work teachers is a word problem here for number 1, multiple choice, and then number 2 is what is the percent of 96 is 84. Students, give your students about 5 minutes. Okay, welcome back. For number 1, the solutions for number 2 actually is right here. 84 equals what percentage of 96? You solve for your percentage, move this over here. You get 87.5, so 87.5 is percent is 84 of 96. And then up here, C, the new amount equals original amount plus amount of increase. So our new amount here is 170 plus 10% of 170, so it'll be 187. So the home builder orders 187 tiles. 7.6% applications. You found percents of change. You'll find markups, discounts, sales tax, and notebook page 2. Students, in your notebook, street vendor buys bracelets from a manufacturer, $7 each. The vendor marks up the price 150%. What is the retail price? Retailer buys items, in case you were wondering, from manufacturers at wholesale prices. The retailer then sells those items to customers at retail prices. From the wholesale to the retail is called a markup. The markup is calculated using a percent of the wholesale price. Again, this is your notebook, page 3 on 7.6, students, part 1. Here is your vocabulary. Goes in your notebook, students. Notebook, page 4 on this lesson, 7.6. Markup and discount in your own words. Define these to get your 10 points. Okay, let's get into example 1, finding a retail price. Find a retail price of a bracelet as described above. Add the markup to the wholesale price. So retail equals wholesale plus markup. So we have 7 is our wholesale plus 150% of 7. So here is our decimal representation here of 150% is 1.5. So don't forget that in your calculations. So 7 plus 10.5 is 17.5. So that's what we found that includes our markup. There's method 2. Multiply the wholesale by 100% plus the markup. So wholesale times 100% plus the markup. What's our markup? 150%. So we have 7 times 100 plus 50. What does that equal? What's 100 times and 150 be? 250%. What's that as a decimal? Is 2.5. So 7 times 2.5 would equal what? 17.5. That's another way to figure your 17.5. The retail price is $17.50. So in our first guide practice, retail price markup be 120%. What would be the price? And then down here, students, taxi fare $22, tip 10%. So what would be the total amount for your taxi on that? Okay, our guided practice up here. Retail equals wholesale plus markup. We have $7 plus 120% of 7. So it'll be $8.40 and be $15.40 at 120% markup. Notebook, page 9, another notebook. A decrease from the original price of an item to a sale price is a discount. The discount is calculated using the 8% of the original. This is notebook, page 9. Our second example here, finding a sale price. You buy an electronic organizer that is on sale for 15% off. The original price is $25. what is the sale price? So subtract a discount from the original. So the original is 25 and is 15% off of 25, right? So the sale equals original minus discount. So it'll be 25 minus 15% of 25. So 0.15 times 25. That's right, 15% is 0.1. So to find that is 25 minus 3.75. There's our difference there. 21.25 would be our sale price. That's method 1. Method 2, multiply the original price by 100% minus the discount percent. So our discount was, what was it? 15%. So it'll be 25 times what? We substitute in here from our verbal model into our arithmetic model. So 25 times 85%, what's 85% as a decimal? 0.85, 25 times 0.85, and then we get 21.25, which is $21.25. So it'll be the discount price of your organizer. Into our guided practice now. $42 is 25% off, so find the sale price here. And original 37, discount 25%. So what would be the discount price down here, students, for your independent practice? Okay, so to find our solutions here for our guided practice up here, here's our sale price equals original minus discount. So the sale was 42 minus 25% of 42. So 0.25, 42 is 10.5. So we have a sale price here of 31.5, 31.50 for the jeans, and that was lesson 7.6, part 1. Part 2 is available here, and everything else. Thank you very much.